Hey,
All right. Markdown, baby.
Markdown, yeah. So let me I did prepare for this, but I do need to publish the Markdown page.
Okay.
Let me run this by you,
Yeah.
Jimmy. But what I'd love to do is publish the Markdown documentation and then have everyone follow the docs.
Okay. Okay. And then okay.
And then I'll just answer any questions anyone has while they're
Hey, that's
following.
cool. Yeah. All right. I dig
That
that.
way it's
Yeah.
not like me like going blah blah blah, you know?
Okay. Okay. No, this is a cool format. I dig that.
But I just need to I need to publish my docs. So I'm going to
Okay.
share my screen so you guys can see that.
Okay.
Um, and so you can see how easy it is. And let me move my thing right here. So
Yep.
I'm using Visual Studio Code. Um, so I recommend that. And the other thing that I didn't put in here is I also recommend having SSH GitHub SSH keys hooked up to your GitHub account. But if you don't have that, don't worry because you can still do it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna move this into our repo, our shared repo once I publish it.
All right.
But I'll do that after the session.
All right.
So I'm gonna call this MKDocs
Yeah.
example. And
So yeah, just a heads up for everybody, Chloe, Lulu, Emily. So it's gonna be like a quasi experimental kind of workshop format. But yeah, we'll keep you posted. Right now, Noah is updating the docs. And so yeah, we'll just update everybody like once we wait for a couple more people to show up, and then we'll go through it.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if you guys started already or not.
Oh yeah, no worries. Yeah.
Awesome.
no worries.
Cool, Lulu. All right, I see that. Yeah.
And
Hey,
I
Lena.
did something silly too. So
All right.
one thing, and I'll put this. I didn't put this in the instructions, but you do want to git ignore when you're doing these docs, and you want to ignore the site folder.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah. So Lena, we haven't officially gotten started yet, but but yeah, Noah we're taking an experimental project-based learning approach to today's workshop. So yeah, we're actually just thinking on our feet right now.
Awesome.
Yeah.
so I'm going to my GitHub page. I've got my MKDocs, and hopefully I just published it, so it's right here. Okay, cool. So this is the website with the docs. So I'm going to put that in the chat, and I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And then I'm going to also send you. So that's the main site. This site's going to be moved to our Coder School Berkeley GitHub group. So I'll do that as soon as I'm done with the course. But this is the MKDocs setup guide. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'm gonna be here to support you and walk you through all the steps.
All right. Let's see.
Thanks for being here, everybody. I'm going to sign off and make
Okay.
dinner. Hello.
Hey, what's up, Didi? All right. See you later, Lena.
Bye.
Wait, Mama, what is this?
Okay, so let's see. And Noah, yeah, I'm gonna ask hashtag noob questions because I am one. So,
Please, yeah.
but basically for MKDocs, we're using GitHub to basically make a website.
Yeah, so GitHub's going to be hosting the website.
Okay.
Yeah, so GitHub gives you free web hosting, so that's why we're using it.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's no stupid questions as far as I'm concerned. So seriously.
Yeah. Yeah, this is for everybody. Just ask away. Like, no question is silly. Just go for it. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and if you need to share your screen, I'm going to enable. No, I've already enabled multiple sheets. screen sharing. So we're all good there.
All right, so let's see. So basically, we want to run this all from our terminal.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You will need Python 3 though.
Okay. Let me check for my version. Actually, what's the command to check for your version? Is it pi-v? What was
I think
it?
it's Python dash version.
Yeah,
Right.
it's me dash V, I think that'll work, or dash V.
So like Python dash v?
Or I think you can just type in Python too, and it'll open up.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah, when I type Python, I think I did my, what was it called? My alias different, but I type in Python and then I go into my REPL, like my Python 3.8. So I have
Try dash version. Python dash version.
Python dash version.
Mhm.
Oh, okay, cool, sweet. Yeah, that's good. Here, I'll put it in the chat too. Boom. Okay, so as long as you have 3. So what do I want to do? Okay, so for full. Okay, so we're at this repo. How do I download this? Do I just do? Oh, and you can search these docs too.
Mhm.
Yes. Yes.
So if you got, feel free to share your screen. Let me know how you're doing.
Oh, okay, I see it. MKDocs class. All right. Sign up for GitHub, install Python. Oh, pip install.
Oh, and also, if you give me your usernames, I can add you to our Coder School, whatchamacallit, our Coder School GitHub organization. So you can commit to there as well.
All right, Nick is in the house.
Hey, Nick.
Hey, sorry, I'm not gonna lie. I just completely lost track of time. Sorry.
Oh no, it's cool.
No
So
worries.
we're taking a how do I say, unorthodox approach to this workshop. It's going to be very project based.
Okay.
So yeah, Noah has like here. Let me put the link in the chat. But yeah, he basically has this MKDocs setup with all the instructions. So basically, Noah is here to like answer any kind of questions you have in trying to run through these instructions yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, and I am adding people to our repo.
Okay.
Not to our repo, but to our organization right now. So the way that works is you'll have to approve it, basically, that you want to be in the organization. So I got one person, and I'm going to invite another person. So first come, first serve. Make sure. Okay, good. Perfect.
Hey Noah, I have like so I'm doing my pip install. Here's my it's just a warning.
Let me see.
Okay.
This should work for either. Should work for both. Should work for both.
Actually, maybe here, I'll save that pip. Actually, I think I should be fine because it didn't throw an error. Create a folder and open it.
Yeah. So feel free to share your screen.
Okay.
And you're okay. So cool. Okay, cool. I think you're. And Nick, if you wanted me to add you to the what do you call it,
Oh, the organization.
the organization, send me your username.
I did. I'll send it again. I
Oh,
sent it. I sent it in the Zoom chat to everyone. But
oh, okay, cool. I just got it. Sorry, I wasn't. Okay, cool. I'm gonna
Yeah, I'll
put
just
it
use
on
VS Code.
here right now. And awesome.
Should have done this in my terminal. Okay, do it in my VS Code. Pip install.
Cool. Says pip install. Oops. Oh, yeah. The question, it should be lowercase. That might be my setup instructions. Oh, it auto-corrected. Oh, no worries. Can I see your screen? Or would you mind sharing your screen? And I've got it to where multiple people can share, so just so I can see the year. We'll just make sure. That is right. Okay. Awesome. Good. Okay. Let me see. Perfect. Okay, so can you command C out of that? Because I think you have to do it outside of the REPL, out of the Python REPL. So yeah, or Command C or Control C. I'm sorry, Control C, and hit it
I think
again. Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry. Maybe hit.
I think it's quit
maybe
with parentheses.
yeah. Try exit parentheses. I think yeah. Maybe or could you open up a new terminal maybe?
Wait, it's just quit parentheses.
Just quit. Quit. So try pip or try before you do that. Try Python space dash version just to make sure. Okay, perfect. So now now try it. I'll try it. Pip install MKDocs. Yeah. Hopefully that works. Awesome. Yeah, that's working. Perfect. I didn't mean to interrupt. Sorry. Cool. So let me also do you all know Markdown by any chance?
I do a little, but I have like, I can get the perfect document for it. Here, I'll put it.
Cool.
There's like a couple of like tools I saw where you can learn Markdown in different ways too. Like it's gamified too, but I don't know where those links are. I gotta look for them. Here, here's one of my favorite resources because it's one of my favorite blogs, but. All right, so I'm just putting some Markdown doc in the chat.
Nice.
Yeah, good old John Gruber. Let me look for.
I'm gonna put this is a Markdown cheat sheet as well. from, oh, dude. So yeah, so. I'm also gonna type in, Jimmy, are you using your own computer?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. Okay, so does everyone have the SSH key set up with GitHub? No, okay. So this is gonna make this is pretty cool. This is gonna make your life a little bit easier as far as pushing stuff to GitHub. So I sent an article on how to do it. But let me know if you have any problems. Yeah, I would get that stretch. Ooh, there's a typo. So I did spell JavaScript wrong, just to warn you. So definitely correct that. You get to that point. And if you see spelling mistakes, let me know. Guess what? Get them corrected. And I'm also going to send you all the image I used in case you don't have an image. Okay. I'm going to fix some stuff on the MKDocs. JavaScript. I'll fix that later. Okay. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Sure.
Oh, hey, Noah.
Mhm.
So I'm at line 6. So I'm serving my MKDocs. So I ran MKDocs serve. And then it says go into the MKDocs.yaml file. So like, do I open up another terminal window to do that?
It should just be in, are you in Visual Code or? I think you're muted.
Yeah, so I'm in Visual Code.
It should just, can I see where you're at or?
Yeah, sure. Let me.
Cool, cool. This is awesome. Okay. Oh, so yeah, so if you go to the little paper thing, right, because right now you're in search. But if you go to the little paper, top left, right, yeah, right there. Oh, okay. So where did you do it? Okay, so let's Control C out of that. Or go to your terminal and type in Control C. Let's see where you did. Okay, so let's open folder and open your MKDocs folder. So yeah, so I can't hear you. It's
Okay, and then let me. So just open up the MKDocs folder.
mhm. Okay, cool. Now open a new terminal and type in MKDocs serve, and that should do it. Yeah. And you can command click on the HTTP on Visual Code, and it'll just take you to the website. Or if you hold down the command and click, should just take you there. But you don't select it. Really. Or yeah, there you go. Cool,
Cool. Yeah, I see it. Thank you.
awesome. So how's everyone doing? Everyone getting their MKDocs set up? Cool. It's awesome. Let's see. So one cool thing about it is, as you make changes to your MKDocs, the browser automatically refreshes with those changes. So you can just see them instantly. So it's got hot reloading built right into it.
Sorry, I think I might have missed this, but how do you load the website? Or how do you like test the website in?
So if you go to, if you look on your terminal,
Mhm.
you'll see, you should see like HTTP. I'll type it out, 127.0.0.1:8000. And that should be your website URL.
I see.
But you can command click on the terminal too, and in Visual Code, and it'll just take you there. I need to update that in my sites. I'm gonna make a note of that. So that's a really good point.
Oh man, I activated Vim on my Visual Studio Code.
Oh no.
Oh well. Oh, it is what it is.
Oh no. Can you deactivate it or?
I think I can, but I think like my past self like wanted to set up my future self to learn it. So this is the way. This is going to be the way.
Oh wow, that's intense. Yeah, Vim's hard. Or VI's hard. Yeah, that's all hard. That's cool. Just remember I. All right. Okay. Oh, and one thing I forgot to do, and I'm gonna paste this file in here, but this is the git ignore that you definitely want to put into your repo. I'm gonna put it into the site, but it's just basically site. It's just a .git ignore file with site. It's not letting me do that, but I'm gonna put that in my thing to do. But create .git ignore with site, yeah. And Jimmy, you're gonna have to delete line two, just to warn you.
Oh shoot, I'm still.
Cool, cool.
Oh no, do you have like a list of the different themes?
Yeah, I do not, but I'm gonna put that on my list too. List of themes, and I will get that to you right now.
Thanks, man.
But there's a ton of themes. That's a really good point. Docs, themes. There we go. So these are some of the themes, not all of them, but some of them. They got a lot, some really nice ones. The URL. And if anything's confusing, please let me know, because I definitely want to edit this so it's easier to read. Ooh, that needs fixed as well. That's, that in. Cool.
Oh yeah, everybody! I found the Markdown tutorial. I found on Why Hacker News sometimes. So I'm gonna put that in the chat if you guys want to use it. It's like a gamified Markdown thing.
Cool. Yeah. Let me create a page for that.
Oh, it loaded.
Down. Cool. And I'm going to be publishing all these markdown resources on the site as well. So anything we put up here.
Hey Noah, is there a way to like instead like to restart the server? So like instead of Control C out and then running MKDocs serve again, Is there like a command or?
It should just auto refresh every time you change.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Unless you're, yeah, I think it should just auto refresh.
Okay.
Let me see. I'm gonna test that out. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, I was like, I put demo steps and assets. I put that in my YAML file. And I was like, why isn't it showing up? What's going on? And then forgot to put in the MD file.
Oh, damn. Okay. Let me make sure. Dude.
Okay, so I put it up, but it says it's not finding it when I actually try to go to the link. And I have a feeling the reason I think I'm confused on the navigation. I think that's not really, I think my navigation page isn't right. So I'm confused as to like what happens with like what is this setup.yml here?
Oh,
Um,
that's an error. So it should be setup.md. Thank you.
Okay. Well, there's not a setup.md either. There's tic-tac-toe.md. Are these supposed to be
Oh,
the
that's
same
my
name?
fault. So this should be
Okay.
yeah, so this is
Okay. Okay. That makes
uh,
a ton of sense. That makes a ton of sense. All right.
yeah,
I
so let
should be able to.
me fix that.
Uh,
So that should point to your MD file. Thank you.
yeah, that's kind of what I assumed, but I wasn't sure. All right.
Okay, so
Thanks.
let me change that to tic tac toe. Yeah.
I wasn't sure if it was something that would be like generated or something like that. So
So I'm gonna publish. I'm gonna put the right thing in the chat, and I'm also gonna publish the changes as well to the new MKDocs GH deploy, and that will deploy those changes. Also, okay, cool.
does pushing automatically update the site, or do we have to rebuild it?
Well, you so to when you say like publish to GitHub.
Yeah, if you push it to GitHub, does it automatically update the site, or do you have to run that command? I don't remember what the command was.
Oh yeah, you do have to run the command every time, but you
Yeah,
can
okay.
set it
Yeah,
up.
GitHub deploy.
I'm pretty sure it's where it automatically does it. With GitHub Actions, I'm pretty sure.
Gotcha.
So actually, I think it should be. Yeah. It should be like this. Yeah, I think this is a little better actually. I'm gonna update the thing to where it's like that instead. So it's my fault, and yeah. But don't copy the backslash YAML. It should just be like this. So this is the final one. The pouch should be like. But I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the site and I'll see if it's there. Let's see. The profile. Let's see. Yeah. So it's updated now. So if you refresh the page, it should give you the right stuff.
All right, thanks.
This workshop is making me realize, like, man, I gotta like bone up on my terminal navigation skills again.
Definitely.
So I still get a 404 when I try to go to the website. Does the repo have to be public?
Yes.
You know? Okay.
Yeah, just
Because
because
it doesn't throw an error or anything when I try to build it. It says everything is all good, but then when I go to the link, it's 404 because I guess because the repo is not public.
yeah, you have to pay for it. You have to pay like GitHub $4 a month if you want it to be private and have a GitHub site.
Yeah. Okay.
Um,
Gotcha. It's weird that I didn't mention that though.
yeah, I should. I'm gonna put that in the thing.
No, I meant the build. Like when you type the command, it doesn't say anything. It just says, "Yeah, it should be available here," and then it's just not.
Oh yeah. It just doesn't know. It doesn't.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense. How would it know?
For the syntax highlight, are we adding that in theme?
Yeah, it's under theme. Under theme. It should be like it should be like a node under theme. So highlight JS true, and then you do a list of the languages you want. Let me put down these notes. Can I see your screen?
Yeah. Sorry, let
Let me see.
I mean for like the JavaScript let b equals 4. What is that?
Oh, so that would be that would go in your markdown.
The markdown. Okay.
So like in your tic-tac-toe MD, because what that does is it does syntax highlighting for the JavaScript. So the student will see like the keywords highlighted when you put in code into the markdown.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm still getting a 404, and I guess it's because I get like, well, here, let me go ahead and share my screen in a second. So, oops. All right, so yeah, I have this 404 here, and it said in Visual Studio that it that it put it on. Okay, I guess when I moved it around, it kind of pushed this stuff. But yeah, it says it should be available at this link, but it's not. However, I noticed that it put everything in this site folder. I didn't make it do that. It just did that. I assumed that was on purpose, but it is here if I go to site. It's not really, doesn't really look too nice, but
No, it should be. Can we go back to your command line?
yeah, I know it got kind of messed up when I moved around, but let me just go ahead and run the command again, I guess, to see what it says. Yeah, so
Okay, so okay, let's go to your repo page. And let's open up the GH Pages branch.
the GH Pages branch is there.
And let's see what that looks like. That looks good. Can you go to settings? And scroll down.
All the way to the danger zone, or?
No, scroll up a little bit. Let's click on that link.
Oh yeah, huh? What was the difference? Let's
I
see.
wonder.
Well, it doesn't. Huh, okay, maybe it just took a little while. It just took a long while. But yeah, okay.
Cool.
Interesting. Okay, thanks.
We got it up. Okay. This is awesome. Oh, thank you. How's everyone doing with has anyone gotten their website up yet, or?
How do you?
I got it up running locally, but I haven't committed yet.
No worries.
I just committed. How do I access it? The GitHub version.
So go to your settings page on your GitHub repo
Mm-hmm.
and scroll down, and you should see a green bar. And if you want, you can share your screen. I can point you right to it.
Yes.
Wait, so Jimmy, did you run it locally by just like opening the HTML pages in a browser, or is there some other way to
Scroll
run it
down.
locally?
Yeah, I just did the whole.
Did you run the MKDocs GH deploy command?
I did not.
Yeah, Nick, I just ran. I think there was like a
Yeah.
early click. I forget where I did it again.
Huh.
So it's I'll type it into you. Let me see. For MKDocs, and it's just GH-deploy.
Oh yeah. I missed that step. Sorry.
Oh yeah, Nick. When basically I ran MKDocs serve.
Yeah, I missed that. Somehow I just completely skipped over that line because it's
Oh
just
yeah,
gonna
yeah,
send by itself.
yeah.
again,
Then I
so-
just
all right.
yeah.
Yep. Thanks.
Cool. This is really cool.
Copy. I named these things the worst.
No, this is perfect. It's gonna take a second just to warn you. So you can click open, but it's probably not gonna be there for another minute or so
Okay.
because it has to deploy. But go back to your options page. I just want to show this to you really quick. If you scroll up a bit and go back to the code section, this is true for all GitHub pages. So if you go click on main on your main branch, it's up there. It's like a little drop down. I'll point to it right,
sorry.
right there. Yeah, this is the GH pages is your actual website that's getting deployed. So this is the website. So now I bet it's ready. So if you go back to settings, you should see it. If you scroll down, yeah, there you go.
God.
Oh,
This is so
sweet.
cool.
Yeah.
This would have made my life a lot easier when I made my own personal website.
Yeah, I'm a huge fan of this. Oh, okay. So you must have a professional GitHub account because you're able to do this.
Oh yeah, students get pro accounts if you like try and like.
Oh, damn. Okay. Yeah. So that's why we couldn't do it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.
Very cool.
Cool.
Man, I haven't committed in a long time. I like my brain's totally blank.
Really? Well, Visual Studio gives you a thing that you can just like push your folder directly to GitHub and it'll just auto create a repo for you. So
Oh yeah, there's like a button for that, right?
Yeah, so you don't even have to do the command line stuff. That's what I usually do. Okay, so yeah, set that up. Ooh.
See you, Chloe.
Yeah, I should probably get going as well. So thanks, Noah. This is going to be helpful.
Yeah, no, I'm
Bye.
totally gonna use this for my makerspace, dude. This is where I'm gonna put all my docs.
Nice.
Sorry, I just had a question. What is this step for? Let me share my screen. To add code to your MKDocs, this step?
So go ahead and paste that JavaScript in. Um,
Just anywhere?
just hit enter, paste it, yeah, on its own line. And then go ahead, save it and go ahead and serve your MKDocs just locally. And so, yeah, MKDocs serve. And, oh, you gotta save it. Control S or
I think it was because I was in the wrong.
oh, okay. So go ahead and go to that and go to your tic-tac-toe. Do you see it does the syntax highlighting for you now?
Ah, I see.
And it'll do almost any language like Python, C, like whatever you're learning, it'll probably do.
Okay. So, interesting. Okay.
I could put some Scratch tutorials on here, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely. You could definitely do that. It's yeah, real good juice. And there's a so for that sort of thing, what I like to do is let me see what it's called, but there's a free screen recorder that's really nice. And I like it gives you a little GIF, and you can put the GIF into your website, and it'll show the student how to drag and drop the blocks onto the screen.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, so it's like a GIF recorder.
Exactly. This is the one I use. It's free. I'm pulling up the site right now. Let me ask. Did you guys like this more, or would you rather me like demoed it to you step by step?
This is the first workshop that I've been to, so I don't really know what like it normally is. But maybe in terms of like getting it started, like creating the repo and like downloading, installing like MKDocs, maybe that step by step would have been better. So like everyone is like on the same page. Although I guess it would depend on the participants, like how proficient they are in terms of installing new software. I think this was honestly like fine though, like because it was like a smaller group, so like everyone went at their same pace. I think this was like okay.
Cool.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I liked it too. I think those first parts, I was just trying to figure it out. But then it was cool because I liked it because I didn't have to go into autopilot. Like I was using my brain to go, okay, how did I do this again? And I don't know, like that was it was painful at first, but then I got the hang of it.
Yeah, I think what I like about it is that it forces people to have a final product. You know what I mean?
Right, right.
but yeah, but yeah, I think it's usually better live too. Like once we get past this COVID stuff, like it'll be way better to do it.
Yeah.
I think.
No, I mean, I'm totally welcome to this format. I thought it was an interesting way to run it.
So I need to put some Python.
Hey, no, can I share my screen with you in a bit and just like, can you show me how to commit from visual code?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm gonna share my screen.
So the one thing you want to do before you commit though is you want to create a .gitignore in the root of your project.
Oh, so just create a .git ignore in the root folder.
In the root folder. And you want to just put the word site in it. So you don't want to commit the site folder to your project. Yeah, you could do that.
All right, and then what do I do?
Go to .gitignore. I don't see it in your. Where did you create it? Did you do it in your? Did you touch it in your terminal?
Yeah, I touched it in my MKDocs like main folder.
Okay, maybe try refreshing. Can you scroll up and try refreshing your thing? Uh,
Yeah, yeah. How would I refresh it? So
if you scroll to maybe go to Open Editor, click on Open Editor. It should just show up though. That's the weird part. Yeah, visual code's acting up. It's not a big deal. Um, if you if you go right here, maybe move your mouse right there. And oh, there it is. Okay, it's right there. It's just hard to see. So yeah, you just want to add a site. Perfect. Just save that. And then if you click on this little branch thing, and oh wow. Okay, so scroll up a bit. Where did you add it to? Where are you? Yeah. Let's exit out of that. Let's open just the MKDocs folder. So I think you opened up a bigger thing or where did all that come from? Or so yeah, let's open this up. Can you close that maybe? Close the docs. Sorry to be bossy. And then, okay, let's exit out of Visual Code and reopen it. And then there's like hundreds of folders. I just don't want to commit something that's can you okay, so let's do this. Go to your command line and just type in rmrf .git. Wait, can you do an ls? Just okay, so that's weird. So type in rm, yeah, r dash rf space .git and hit enter. Okay, so that should get rid of your git folder. So now click on the little thing again. The little branch thing. Why is it doing that? Okay, so can you click on refresh, the refresh button? See if it goes, you shouldn't have a git folder anymore. That's weird. Can you click on this? Where are these? And can you scroll down on your editor? Is there any other? No, there's no other folders. It doesn't make any sense. Did you already commit this by any chance? I think you might be muted.
So I've committed stuff from my desktop before. I don't know if that's an issue. Yeah, just right now, basically my MKDocs is on my desktop, and I've committed from my desktop before.
That's what it's thinking. It's thinking that you're. Can you move this to? Can you move that folder to like your documents and or something
Sure,
like that?
sure. Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.
All right. I think I'm going to go eat dinner, but thank you for this. It was really fun and very informative. Have a good one.
So yeah, did you move it? Because you might have to reopen it if you did.
Okay. Yep.
Because that's why it's saying they're deleted, the files.
Right. Okay.
Cool. Get 100%. Okay, this is good. Now, if you click on that branch button, publish to GitHub. Yep.
Yeah, I gotta stop doing stuff on my desktop.
Yeah, yeah, it's all good. It's all good. You know what? I tell my students to put it out there because that way I know where it is.
No, totally, yeah.
Oh man.
But that should be so basically, yeah. So okay, and basically that's it. You just press that button and then
Yeah, it'll publish it. But let's get to let's deploy your GitHub pages just so you know, just so you get to that point, and then that'll be cool. How are
Okay.
things going?
oh, good. Yeah, just still in the thick of like full-time school stuff. So, um, yeah, just like yeah, I've been doing teaching a lot of really basic HTML, CSS, which is good. It's like the middle schoolers' first time. I think the only thing that how do I say, the one issue is like I have like half the class that does their work and half the class that doesn't touch it. So it's really tough to figure out grading wise, um, but I'm of the mindset right now of like giving the students that haven't done anything like low grades. At first I was really easy on them, but now I'm like, we're all used to this, so like you should be doing your work, Yeah.
That's tough. That's tough.
Yeah, totally, man. Yeah, how are things on your end?
Things are going really well. Yeah, just I made some major progress this weekend on a lot of the projects, which is
Yeah.
good. Um, just some major progress, and then so that's going well, and yeah, just things are going really well, man. Things are going
Nice.
really well.
Nice.
Yeah, I think this tutorial thing, like once it gets up, is going to be pretty cool.
Yeah, I really like it. So, no, it was super easy to set up. So I think, yeah, once we figure out just how to deploy it to GitHub, I'm totally gonna use this for my classes actually, because I can use this for like basically any tutorial, and then embed some videos too.
Well, that's the one thing I wanted to go over. I didn't. There wasn't enough time. I was just too lazy to prepare. But and maybe we can have a follow on to this class. So I did get some feedback that was really good.
Yep.
I need to have a setup Python because somebody had trouble figuring out how to install Python.
Yep.
So I'm going to figure out a YouTube video and embed that into the MKDocs
Okay.
on how to install Python. But one thing that I'd like to do is, and maybe we can do this next class, is setting up a Google bucket.
Oh yeah, like for the videos and stuff, right?
The videos, yeah, because you can't commit videos to GitHub. They're just, and the problem with YouTube is for certain things it works, but for other things they're silly. All the crap they put around the video just blocks it.
Oh, like using a copyrighted thing or
No, it's like the title and the little YouTube advertisement like block the important stuff in your video. Like, if you're in, like roadblocks, it'll block like the part section because it's at the very top.
oh right.
It's just like it's really annoying.
I would love to learn that. Get the Google. Was it Google Bucket?
Google buckets, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, that'd be an awesome next tutorial.
yeah. I think that would be pretty cool.
Yeah. Wait, so this is already published now, or?
Well, it's just taking some time to do its thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so. But go to your GitHub page. Maybe it is published.
Maybe it is. Let's see. All right.
Did it ask you to sign in by any chance?
Oh, into my GitHub or, um,
Because
So-
that might be where it's stalling.
Oh yeah, it's I'm not signed in apparently. Okay, let me see.
Or like it might like ask you to allow permission or something.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I'm signed in now. Press publish again. Let's see.
You can try exiting.
Oh, just exit this? Okay. Let's see.
Maybe, yeah. But unless you see it in your list.
All right, yeah, let's see if publish to GitHub. Okay. Did I have to initialize it first or?
No, it should do all that for you.
Oh,
Maybe
interesting.
exit out of it and reopen it.
Okay, okay. So just
I'm gonna
exit
go
out.
onto your GitHub page and see if it's there.
Okay.
TC.
So let's see. So let's go to my repo and then.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go to your personal page. Oops, there. It's just messing up on me. There we go. Oh yeah, it's so recipe tracker. It doesn't look like it's there.
Yeah. Okay. So how do I?
Just close out of it and reopen it. There's
Oh,
something,
okay.
yeah, something weird going on.
Oh, so basically, yeah, I just need to be logged in, right?
Well, it should ask you for like access. So maybe on one of your browser tabs, it's asking you for access.
Oh, okay. Click here. Open folder, MKDocs. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. I had to authorize it.
Nice.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay. Oh, I think I did it.
Nice.
Oh, that was it. Yeah. Okay, wait. Would you like to run? Yes. Opening GitHub. And here it is.
Is your site up?
Oh, wait. So, yeah, how can I check if my site's up?
So you got to type in MKDocs deploy. So do that. Type in this command first.
So,
MKDocs gh deploy.
so wait, where? Okay, where do I do? Oh, I do that in the
In the
index.
terminal.
Oh no, yeah. Let me open my terminal again. Terminal. I have to run the serve thing again, right?
No, you just type in MKDocs gh deploy.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, because if I just wanted to do it locally, gotcha. MKDocs gh deploy, and I think that's pushing to GitHub.
Let me see.
All right. Oh, I see the address too. Nice.
Did you do it as a private repo or?
I think I did it as a. Ooh, I might have done it as a private. You're right.
What's the name of the repo?
The name is MKDocs.
I don't see it.
Oh yeah, I made it private. Yeah, that's right. How do I?
Go to your settings and scroll down to the very
Oh,
bottom, and you should see public. I'm gonna put a note there for that too.
Oh, okay. Like on the actual. Oh, I see. It says private. Yeah. So how do I? So go to. Go to where again?
Go to settings. Go ahead and share your screen.
Oh, yep.
But it's settings, and then so it's those three little dots because it's getting covered up
Yep.
in settings, and then scroll the way down, like all the way down to the very, very bottom, and change visibility
Change.
stuff.
Yep.
And
Public. All right. Should be it.
all right, now click on that link and let's hope.
Yes.
Yes.
We're in. Thank you, Noah. All right. All right. Okay. And so basically, yeah, you just edit this in Visual Studio Code and then just push it to GitHub and that's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Dude, awesome. Oh man, my brain's exploding. Like with like more ideas now. This is awesome.
Right.
No, thanks, man. Thanks. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, I think everyone got their thing working, so that's pretty good.
Yep.
That's really good. So yeah, this is awesome. Sure.
Yeah, sweet.
Okay, cool. I
I
think
don't want to take up your time. Yeah. Thanks, man.
guys, I think maybe next month or the month after. I think it'd be kind of cool to do a Chrome extension workshop.
Okay. So do you want to do, all right, so for the next month, you want to do the Google bucket one?
Yeah, we can do Google Buckets. Yeah.
Okay. So do Google buckets for the next one. So so December. And then in January you want to do Chrome extensions?
Yeah, well, you know what? Google Buckets is like it's super short. So it's like it's about 15 minutes.
Okay.
Or it'd be like a 15-minute video, but I can make that video.
Yeah.
You know what might be really cool is a fun project that they could do with the kids.
Yeah.
Like make a button that you can't click,
Oh, that's a good idea.
and then make a button that makes a funny sound.
Yeah.
And we can do it on Glitch. I've been using Glitch for all my HTML students.
Yeah.
It's been working out really well. So
Okay.
that way there's nothing to install, because
Right.
until GitHub gets its code spaces out of beta, which I'm super excited about.
Yeah.
I'd say Glitch is still
Okay.
there.
All right, man. Yeah, Chrome extensions and Google Books. All right. Well, yeah, thanks, Noah. Thanks, man. Yeah. All right. I'll see you on the other side of things. I don't want to take up more of your time.
No problem. I'll catch you later.
All right. Later, man.
Later.
Thank you.